Now that your project is uploaded to GitHub, it's time to make it accessible to others by deploying it. In this lesson, we'll walk you through the process using Streamlit Community Cloud. Streamlit Community Cloud is a fantastic service that allows you to host and share your Streamlit apps with just a few clicks, making it incredibly easy to showcase your projects to the world. Plus, it's free. But there's a catch. You can only host Streamlit apps that are public on GitHub. This means that everyone will be able to see the source code of your application. While this might seem like a drawback, it also allows others to learn from your work and contributes to the open source community, a worthwhile trade-off. First, we need to create a requirements.txt file. This file lists all the dependencies required to run your Streamlit app. This ensures the Streamlit Cloud knows which packages it needs to install to run your app smoothly. To create this file, open a text editor and create a new file named requirements.txt. Now, we need to add the libraries we've used. For our project, the requirements file should include Streamlit, OpenAI, and Streamlit JS eval. It's as simple as that. But what if you have so many libraries that you can't track them all, and you encounter errors every time you try to run the app on the server? In such cases, you can use the following command in the VS Code terminal to generate the requirements file automatically. This command will create a requirements file containing all the packages and dependencies currently installed in your environment. Once we have this file, we must commit and push it to GitHub. We start by writing in the terminal git add dot to add all the files. Then, with git commit -m, we can write a commit message. For example, adding the requirements file. Finally, push the changes to the remote repository, git push origin main. Alright, to deploy the app, we first need to visit share.streamlit.io and sign in with GitHub and set up your account. Once signed in, click Create App and select Deploy a public app from GitHub. You'll be presented with a form where you need to add information about your repository. In the repository field, add the link to your GitHub repository. We've used main for the branch, so select that. The main file path should point to the file you use to run the app, which in our case is app.py. If needed, you can also customize the app URL. Next, click on the Advanced Settings button. This is where we can add the content of our secrets file. Paste your API key here in the following format. Save the changes and click Deploy. After a few seconds, your app will be deployed. Let's test the application to ensure everything works perfectly. And it does flawlessly. Now, we have an app that's up and running. You can share the link with your friends to try it out. We did it! Congratulations on deploying your first LLM app. In the next section, you'll get an inside look at how we built the ACE interview, our interview simulator that is up and running today, helping thousands of students prepare for their job interviews. So stay tuned.